Namaste Yogis. Today my topic is related with stress, tension, anxiety. So one pranayama brings them back to the neutral formation. So what happens when we are taking a lot of stress? If you're also having those kind of difficulties, you are not finding a solution, how to work on your stress level, how to work on anxiety. So this video is for you. Please stay there, watch it fully and learn how to practice this Bhramari Pranayama. Bhramari means vibrations. So through this pranayama, we can awake those internal energies. Timing, I would say early morning or during sunset. These two times, sunrise and sunset, these are very effective, and you will see when you will practice why. Means there is no restriction, it can be practiced anytime, but it's very effective if you can find early morning or during sunset. So let me show you how to practice Bhramari. For Bhramari, always as you sit in a comfortable pose, your back needs to be straight because tension and stress, these are concerned with your nerves. But please pay attention, they are related with your nerves. So as much you can work on your nerves to align the body, your nerves will become at ease. You may try. You may observe whenever you sit straight, you feel better. Please be aware about your alignment. Alignment matters. So whenever we practice any pranayama, we always maintain our pose. We maintain the alignment. Swami Ramdev, he mentions that be concerned, be mindful about your sitting postures. And they have a lot of meaning as you sit, as you practice them. So how to practice Bhramari? So for Bhramari posture, you're practicing it in a very comfortable, relaxed manner. So you're not having any difficulty, you're not having any pressure to use. So as you're relaxed, you're taking some time, you're checking your breathing pattern. As you find your breathing is good, your breathing is normal, then we cover the ears, we close the eyes and to cover with fingers. And in this pranayama, you take a deep breath and you vibrate. It's also called humming bee pranayama. So the same, to close the ears, you will see the reflection on your core as you will take a deep breath. Trust me, you practice only one round of Bhramari, you will feel a lot of energy on your third eye chakra. And this is for awakening Sushumna Nadi. So Bhramari works not only in stress level, highly to activate your third eye. So people, when they are having difficulty, third eye is not going to be activated. They are practicing since so many years. They may try Bhramari. Again, I will show you, like, please learn properly. So there is no blockage on your nasal. Your breathing is normal. So during exhalation, you are only contracting the throat. Humming bee. And in yogic world, it's called the sound of Om. And Om has that natural power, natural tendency to activate the region. So if it is activating the throat region, automatically your throat chakra is activated and it works on your third eye. That's the reason automatically you're getting calm, your nervous system is relaxed. So the best medium to work on stress, tension, and anxiety. Let me show you again. So first your posture. You're making sure you're relaxed. As you find your breathing is normal, it has a connection with your breathing. So please pay attention. And then nicely, you will take your position. You will take a deep breath. So this practice is to make you calm. That's why I mentioned in starting that please choose a good time. The good timing will be in early morning when it's calm. The nature is into silence. The sattva, positive energy is so available. Or evening when the sun gets down, all the energies they start to become calm, relaxed. So this is the main practice of Bhramari Pranayama as yoga with a dream. She also recommends a lot of humming bee. So humming bee is very effective. It has that tendency to bring you back to your natural senses, throat channel. So what's happening in between these two? You always get this authentic information on this channel. I would request you, if you like the video, if it was useful, please don't hesitate, don't feel shy to press that like button, put your comments, raise the queries and traditional terms. And please share the video as much you share, it goes to other people who are looking for the information. Thank you so much. Namaste.